Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit bookmarks in uh, Google Chrome. So firstly, open your Google Chrome. Then you can see these things all are bookmarks here. If you want to delete one bookmark, you have to right click on that specific bookmark and you have to click on edit option, this one. Click on edit and you can name your anything. You can name anything here, and you can, if you want to change the URL, you can change it too. Okay, after that you can see bookmarks bar or other bookmarks. You can choose one and then you have to click on save. If you click on save, you can see that the name has been changed to new anything, or I can change the name to like Sam Rush. Now click on save and you can see it is named Samrush. So this is how you can edit a bookmark, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.